Hey, how's it going? This will be update number 13. I just got the motors and everything plugged up for the new system, the chain drive, and it's looking okay. I've got some issues with the Z-axis, but one of the things that I love about this new chain drive, and I'm using one of these smaller motors for the X-axis here. You can see how that is just got a gear on the motor output shaft, and we've got a couple of idler sprockets, and then the chain just runs the length of the machine, which is about 4 feet on this build. I haven't yet put the motor on the other side. I need to make one to match the configuration over here. But first of all, I just wanted to see how well the chain was going to work with this motor, or if I needed to consider some other configuration options. So let's just give it a shot. I've got SLCam here, which is running on that laptop over there, going over USB to this board that I love, which is an X Pro, or a CNC X Pro from Spark Concepts. You can also get it at openbuilds.com. Spark Concepts are the people that designed it. So they do have excellent support, and that board replaced, if I can find it, well, that's weird. Oh yeah, all of that stuff, 3 drivers, a C10 breakout board, and a bunch of wiring necessary to get that, and you had to have an additional external 5-volt power supply. So this is a 24-volt supply going to just wired straight to the board, and you see this other connector on the end, which is a ATX power supply connection. So if you ever opened up your computer, then no doubt you've seen those. So you can drive it that way if you only need 12 volts going into it. I needed 24, so I just got this really cheap supply over there. So anyway, well, let's see if we can get the thing to move. Yeah, SLCam again is running on that old T43 ThinkPad laptop, but I'm just using it through a remote desktop here. So let's see what we got. Oops. Alright, so my Z-axis, you can see here, is actually stalling. Let's try a little slower. Problem is there. I'm guessing the rails are not quite parallel, so I'm going to take that apart. We got some transfer screws coming today off of from Amazon. I think they'll help solve this. So let's try another axis. That's noisy. It stalled when it got too close to the edge there. I do need to play with the motor configuration in here, because I haven't changed this at all since I redid this whole system. So something's bouncing around in there. I'm not really sure what. Yeah, let's give the chain drive a try. Okay. Okay, that's pretty quick. It's very loud. So this is 4 feet long. So we'll call it 38 inches of travel. 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. So 38 over 5, that's about it would be 10 inches per second, so it's about 600 inches a minute, and I doubt we'd be able to cut at that speed, but cool. Anyway, I'm pretty happy with it, except for that Z is an issue. I'll take it apart after work today and see what's going on there. It should be pretty easy to diagnose. I think the issue is related to these vertical rails here are, again, not braced at the bottom. I think the bearings on the back of the carriage are not parallel. Not the back of the Z, but the back of this plate, these small ones here. This lead screw is not the one that came with the anti-backlash nut that's in there. And it's not exactly the same profile as what they sell at open builds that's supposed to go with that. They're very, very close, but the actual, these are trapezoidal screws, and the profile of the thread, each thread is slightly wider. You know, this is not going to focus. Slightly wider on this. They're the same number of starts, same diameter, same specification in every other way. Everything online about these says they should be the same. They should fit into the same nuts, but they don't. So I wound up modifying the backlash nut, or anti-backlash nut, to try and get it to fit. And it, well, we see how that went. So anyway, if you don't make mistakes, then you're not learning anything, and then there's not a whole lot of point. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see if we can get this fixed. Thanks.